Welcome back to the channel Stock Market News. Beat the index. Today we'll find out the ways of your portfolio diversification. One of the best ways is to invest in high-yield ETFs. The individuals who need to be immovably established in values yet produce a smidgen more pay than you'd get from the commonplace stocks on Wall Street ought to think about the SPDR Portfolio S&P 500 High Dividend ETF. As the name suggests, this asset is benchmarked to the S&P 500 file of the biggest U.S. companies, then screens out the stocks that don't offer huge profits. Dividend yield is 4.4%, but expenses are extremely low, 0.07%. Secondly, it is Invesco KBW High Dividend Yield Financial ETF, which incorporates just monetary stocks, and unquestionably the extremely most elevated profit payers among them. There's clearly risk while you're zeroing in on a little rundown of stocks in a particular area, yet it additionally permits KBWD to be among the most liberal high-yield ETFs, overshadowing yields of assets containing greater name profit stocks. Dividend yield is 8.2%, but expenses are 1.24%. The third way is Vanguard Real Estate ETF. It offers a profound arrangement of approximately 180 stocks in spite of an area-situated approach, so you're getting a really enhanced setup. These include American Tower, which claims properties that have communications towers, or warehouse operator Prologis, demonstrating these aren't simply commercial real estate plays. This prospective ETF's dividend yield is 3.8%. Expenses are only 0.12%. Another real estate-focused fund worth calling out is Global SuperDividend REIT ETF. This ETF takes a significantly more slender cut of the securities exchange, with an emphasis on the most noteworthy yielding land ventures on Wall Street to make an arranged rundown of around 30 absolute possessions that all offer huge paydays. This rundown is divided into 60-40 standard rights and home loan rights, the last option of which bargains explicitly on paper as opposed to real properties. Dividend yield is surprisingly 8%. The expenses rate is 0.59%. The last one is iShares Global Energy ETF. It is an engaged rundown of under 60 major well-known stocks, restricted to the most settled players, including Exxon Mobil, BP and different names you're without a doubt acquainted with. The dividend yield is 4.1%, expenses are 0.46%. 5G technology is our future, isn't it? I will show you how to earn money, buying giants in this sector. If you'd be a part of this investment, click the next video on our YouTube channel.